Welcome to Sensors and Measurements Lab. Sensors and Measurements is the basic instrumentation lab which will be studied in second year. A sensor is a device which will detect an event or change in the environment. It converts a physical phenomena into a measurable voltage which is used for further processing. In this lab, you will gain knowledge about the different types of temperature, displacement, level, pressure, optoelectronic and strain measurement sensors, and the appropriate signal conditioning for the particular sensor is also studied. You will also learn about measuring basic parameters, resistance, capacitance and inductance using bridges. At the end of this course, you will be able to identify the appropriate sensor suitable to measure a particular parameter in a given application. Of course, sensor is the basic element used in IoT, which is the most important and promising technology topic today. Sensors play an important role in creating solutions using Internet of Things.
Welcome to Analytical Instrumentation Lab. This lab you are going to utilize in 4th year first sem, and experiments in this lab are done on analytical instruments, namely gas analyzers, spectrophotometers, liquid chromatography, FTIR, milk and protein analyzer. Here you learn principles and theory of modern analytical instruments and hands-on approach with analytical method development, data analysis and interpretation. You will understand the role of the analytical instrumentation engineer in measurement and problem solving in chemical analysis. These analytical instruments are used in pharma industry like Dr. Reddy's, Mylan, Agilent, Waters, etc. and petrochemical industries like HPCL, BPCL and IOCL. Once you get command on these analytical instruments, you will have numerous opportunities. And to choose your career in analytical instrumentation, it is very good enough. I wish you good luck and happy learning in BTech EIE. Thank you.
Welcome to National Instruments Academy Laboratory. It is a multi-purpose laboratory where you are going to learn general purpose programming environments as well as application specific programming environments. Programming environments such as C language and Python are general purpose text based languages. You will learn them as part of your coursework in first and second years. The most popular application specific programming environments are MathWorks MATLAB and National Instruments LabVIEW. The MATLAB software focuses on technical computing and modeling and provides a popular scripting environment for acquiring data from a device and analyzing this data. LabVIEW software focuses on test, measurement and control functions and provides a rich environment for test and measurement applications. As part of your coursework, you will learn MATLAB in second year first semester in the basic simulation lab and LabVIEW in the third year first semester in the virtual instrumentation lab. Nowadays, programming has become a basic skill, so learn programming and it opens door to numerous opportunities. All the best.
Welcome to Microprocessors and Microcontrollers Laboratory, Department of Electronics and Instrumentation Engineering. You will be carried to this lab for MPMC during third year second semester. This lab is equipped with interfacing devices like analog to digital converter, digital to analog converter and LCD display, etc. This laboratory lets you understand the practical aspects of what we call embedded systems, right from understanding what is inside a microprocessor. You, as a student of BTech EIE, have a theory course on this subject, for which this lab provides hands-on experience on understanding the concepts and testing them. What you learn in this lab will also help you in your course projects and major projects too. You will use this laboratory facility for other software learning experiences in your curriculum like programming using C, data structures, basic simulation using MATLAB, AutoCAD for engineering drawing and NI Multisim for electronic circuit simulations. Be creative, put your ideas into test and all that begins here in this lab. Good luck guys.
Welcome to Industrial Instrumentation and Process Control Automation Laboratory. In the third year of your BTech course, you will be practicing the experiments of this lab. Firstly, in Industrial Instrumentation Lab, you will be learning the measurement of various physical parameters like, to name few, humidity, sound and light intensity, also the properties of liquid like viscosity and density measurement. In this lab, the major equipments are stroboscope, gyroscope, accelerometer, and vibration setup. With this, you will be learning the basic principles of measurement techniques. Secondly, in Process Control Automation Laboratory, you will be exposed to the best-in-class equipments of industrial automation tools. As we all aware that Siemens is one of the giant in automation field. So we have Siemens Programmable Logic Controllers, PLCs, SCADA, HMI, and many more tools of automation. Unlike the other labs, in this you will be working on simulation as well as hands-on hardware to control the things. As you can see, most of the equipments are scaled down prototypes of real-time industrial process stations. We have flow, level, and pressure process stations which are being monitored and controlled by PLC and SCADA. Students can use these laboratory facilities for their assignments, case studies, lab-based projects, and for mini or major project works. There is a lot of scope for learning in this lab. From simple to complex problem solving and understanding is assured. Finally, for programming of PLC, we use ladder logic, and I wish this ladder will take you to the success. Thank you.
Welcome to Process Control Instrumentation Laboratory. Basically, 4 essential process parameters are significant in any process industry, which are temperature, flow, level, and pressure. These 4 process parameters need to be regulated using controllers. PID composite controller is imported to regulate the process parameters. All the components in control loop are compliant with industry standards. ABB, Fisher-Rosemount, and Eagle Company components installed in our laboratory to regulate the process control loops. The behavior analysis of these process control loops are analyzed in order to enhance the loop stability. This lab is much significant and essential for any process industrial applications in order to minimize the product variability and to achieve meticulous production rate.
Welcome to the freshers of 2020 to Electronic Circuits 1 lab of EIE department. EC1 lab is introduced to you in second year, first semester of your curriculum. The lab is all about learning and working with various electronic devices. Here we demonstrate the working of various electronic devices like PN junction diode, transistors, and so on. You also design AC to DC converter, filter circuits, regulator circuits, and so on. Here you also learn to design amplifiers, oscillators, and several other circuits, the knowledge of which leads you to implement simple projects in electronics. This knowledge also helps you to apply in your future projects and applications. Welcome to the Department of EIE. Thank you.